Stable FM radio, 87.5 and 108 FM frequency. Listen to real-time situation news, radio, weather forecast, music, etc. The music color block can be clicked to play music. After connecting to Bluetooth, you can play music as you like. Navigation allows you to slide the map to find where you need to go. Click on the corresponding icon and automatically jump to the route.
Head northeast.
Chấm dược khuẩn, mái cầu truy dược khi bay xanh.
Hey, boo boo.
Music FM。是拉北方部。
东广播电视台老年大学2024班开始招生了。
乐曲。播电视台老年大学报名啦
40
啦，接放幾日年，新一年有新嘅感情。秦同學咧似乎好開心喎，持續周圍。
This is a DSP amplifier, a software with dynamic sound effects. Built-in professional hi-fi amplifier chip with 30-to-band equalizer settings. Which can adjust the sound field effects surround sound, bringing an immersive audio experience. It has day and night modes. When night comes, you can turn on the dark mode, which looks more comfortable and less dazzling. Now it is time to manually turn on the CPU fan to cool down. To open automatically, first check the amp control below and set the temperature according to the CPU. When the CPU temperature exceeds the set value, the fan automatically turns on. With 20 to new UIs, you can switch as you like. Rear view camera supports 720p, 1080p,